Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to address another common question, how to transfer money from Amazon gift card to your bank account. With the latest updates, here's a method that is sure to work. So first thing, you have to check your balance on your Amazon gift card to ensure you have sufficient funds available for the transfer. You can usually do this by visiting the Amazon website or using the Amazon mobile app. Now, when you've confirmed your balance, to transfer the funds from your Amazon gift card to your bank account, you first need to convert the gift card balance into cash. So there are several methods you can do this, and the first is always to sell the gift card for cash. And it's always recommended to find a reputable, exchange website that can offer competitive rates and of course secure transactions. Once you've converted your gift card balance into cash, there are options of using your ATM, which of course can allow you to redeem gift cards for cash. But then again, this option isn't available for, a lot of people. And of course, it can incur certain rates or fees. So after you've done that, you can transfer your funds to your bank account. Do this by depositing the cash into your bank account at a local branch or using a mobile banking app, if of course your bank supports it. And with that said, there is another way you can do this, and that is by using the Amazon site. Alright, so if you've purchased your card from an exchange like Dundle, there is a chance that they will mail the code to you. So in that case, what you can do is to go over here on Amazon and of course put in the code. If you don't know what it looks like, it looks something like this over here, right? So if you've done this, you should be able to click apply to your balance and it should automatically reflect on your balance. If it doesn't, then you can go over to, let's say, account. Alright, and once you've applied the balance to your Amazon account, it should reflect, and you can come under payment options, and under your wallet, you should see your Amazon balance reflect here. And if you don't have a payment option added, there is an option for you to do that. You can do that by clicking on add payment method, and that should give a drop down menu where you can see the list of payment options to add, and it's advisable to pick that, of course, which is offered by your bank. So if you follow the process so far, you can see that redeeming your Amazon gift card isn't that difficult. Although I know the option a lot of you might be looking for is something that has to do with being able to directly redeem your Amazon gift card to your bank account. There are of course services that support this, but then again you might need to check with your bank if they support that service. But outside of that, this is the current update. This is the current method to use. You can go through, if you're trying to redeem your Amazon gift card, and of course transfer the funds to your bank accounts. That said, thank you very much for watching, and if this video helped you, then do well to subscribe and leave a thumbs up on the video. Happy transfers.